What's up, guys? Today I am at trying to see if they have any photo booth props. I get a lot of questions about where do I get my props, and the answer is anywhere where it's cheap. So we're at the Dollar Tree. Let's go inside and let's see what we can find. So I'm in the toy section. You can basically find usually most of the props at stores at the toy section. What will pass as a prop? Well, it's anything that somebody would pick up while they're taking a photo. Not every single toy will pass as a prop. So like no one's gonna use this or this squishy thing. So you really kind of have to just use, I guess, common sense to kind of feel what would be a good prop. Like this would work. This little mask, definitely. I would definitely see some people putting that on, or even this one here. So I'm gonna look through this aisle and I will get back to you guys with what I find. Okay, so I found the items. This is just down the toy section. But before I show you guys what I got, I just want to make it clear that the reason why we're coming to the Dollar Tree to find props are because props get destroyed often. There's no point in spending $50 on a prop that might get destroyed in 3 events. So these are cheap, and the point is to save money, and most of the time people don't even really care that they're from the Dollar Tree. They won't even know. So the first thing I found, these little mustaches. They're stickers. You can put your guests can put them on. 4 in a pack. You can probably get away with maybe spending like $4 getting a bunch of these, and they get to take them after they use a photo booth, so it's kind of cool. Next thing are these little lightsaber things. We actually have these for our rentals. Not this brand, but a lot of people like to, do them in groups. So if they're with their partner, they both have a lightsaber and they're acting like they're fighting each other. So these are really neat. And then these 2 masks, the ones I showed you guys earlier. And then the last thing is this little masquerade thing. You'll get hired for a lot of like Great Gatsby themed parties, or for kids' party, this thing would be cool. And that's pretty much what I just found. This is the Dollar Tree. The 99-cent store has pretty much the same amount of items, but just different stuff. So there's no reason why you can't come to a Dollar Tree or a 99 and get some props. And you guys, if you look over here, so what's cool about Halloween stuff is you can use a lot of this stuff for props as well. Like these little signs, like spooky signs, the chains. You can always use this stuff for props too. Maybe not the Halloween stuff like with the slogans, but the chains, the spiders, all of that stuff actually gets put on discount. So if $1.50 is too much, literally just come the day after Halloween and majority of this stuff will be marked down. It's a little pro tip, but yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It felt good to get out of the house to make a video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.